Child, Sean Diddy Combs tells the judge, I'm a little nervous on the first day of jury selection in his ex-trafficking trial. Let's take a look. Now, nearly 36 New Yorkers were questioned on yesterday about what they knew about the federal ex-trafficking case against Sean Diddy Combs as jury selection got underway in a Manhattan courtroom. Now, while they were trying to select the jurors were shown a list of more than 100 places and people whose name may come up in the trial, and they were asked whether they knew any of the people and whether it would affect their ability to be impartial. Now, some of the people whose name was on the list was Michael B. Jordan, Mike Myers, Kanye West, and none of these names were implicated in the case. Now, also, some of the women's names who have filed civil lawsuits against Combs also appeared on the list, including his former ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Ventura. And, everybody knew about that. That thing was on CNN. So it's going to be really, really hard to find some jurors who are impartial and possibly who have not heard anything about this case. Now, the attorneys did provide an explanation for the list, and the representatives for Michael B. Jordan, Mike Myers, and Kanye West did not immediately return requests for comment. Now, also on Monday, the assistant U.S. attorney said that prosecutors have been having trouble getting in contact with victim number 3's attorney, and they're unsure whether or not that she will show up to court, even if they try to enforce a subpoena. Now, 12 jurors will ultimately decide whether Combs used his power and his influence to sexually exploit women for more than 2 decades. Also, while Combs was in court, he showed up with his gold tee. And y'all know he's been detained at the federal prison in Brooklyn since September 2024. Now, he showed up with a white collar shirt, a black crew neck sweater, and charcoal color pants. So, also, the judge gave him permission to wear his own clothes during the trial. He didn't have to be in that little orange jumpsuit, did he? Now, when he came in, he hugged and shook the hands of his attorney before the judge issued various rulings, including that a clinical psychiatrist can testify as an expert for the defense about the drugs Combs may have taken and their combined effects. Now, y'all know they are trying to say that he was mentally incompetent due to the drugs and the alcohol, and he wasn't in his right mind. That ain't gonna work. So anyway, the judge said that the psychiatrist could also testify about the blackouts and other episodes in which Combs may have been intoxicated. Now, when the defense asked for a quick bathroom break, the judge basically suggested that they wait and continue in questioning jurors. The judge stated, he's a machine. And Diddy responded, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm a little nervous today. And so the judge issued the bathroom break. Child, he had a weak bladder, child. He is nervous. Now, the judge stated last week that he hoped to see a jury of 12 people and 6 alternates in 3 days. Child, they trying to get this stuff started so they can get this proceedings underway, which is expected to last at least 8 weeks. Whatever the case may be, child, Kimmy's World is going to be on the job. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to Kimmy's World. Drop down in the comment area. Let me know what you think. Today is day 2. And y'all know there cannot be any cameras or anything in the courtroom. So we have to wait until somebody give us a report so we can report back to the people. Anyway, here first, where Kimmy's World is your world.